Hey everybody, Paul Wooten here. As you can see, this is the Skyjacker Bronco by Matchbox. So, I know you all want to know this series here that just came out at Walmart here recently. Looks all real familiar to last year's release on the 65th anniversary. So let's just take a closer look. So here we go. We have got the 2018 65th anniversary release of the Skyjacker Bronco 4x4. Very cool car. Got the fog lamps on, the headlights on, roll cage, tow hitch, four drive wheels. Let's open this guy up and take a little closer look. You see in the background there are some Mercedes AMG GT3s. Did a video on those. You should check that one out also. New card art, big Ford logo there. The Bronco running through some mud. Bronco is exact. Other than the card art, there is no difference between these two Broncos. Just to take a peek there at that one, study it for a second, and we'll roll this one into the screen. There may be just a, no, I don't say, maybe there might be a little bit of tone different in the plastic. The truck is flat black. Drop it there, guys. The tampos are identical. Let's put them side by side. They are identical, but they are a nice release. If you missed the one from last year, there you go. You got the one from this year. And they are a nice Jeep replica. You know, a lot of people, like in the back day, you know, they turn these into purpose-built machines for mud and rock climbing. So you got the Jeeps, the Broncos, the purpose-made rock crawling machines. So a lot of you people do use the term Jeeping, four-wheeling, overlanding, all those crazy names they use. So this was, what I was trying to say earlier, was Ford's nearest competition to the Jeep as an off-road vehicle, with the removable top, and be able to put the bikini top on there with the back seat. Very cool. Glad you guys tuned in. Appreciate the thumbs up and the likes and comments. And check out my other videos. We'll see you then.